The wagon wheel got no love. But after cracking a rim on my Z51 and owning a 99 with chrome wagon wheels, I appreciate their sturdy construction. You can't give those things away. That's a shame. Let's move on. Let's see what we have here today. One of my favorites, Indy Pace car. I love the black Z out 6. Stingray R. C7. Nice touch on that car. Looks like Kalahari interior with that orange is nice. Speaking of orange. And if I could pick between a C8 and a ZR1, I think everyone knows the answer to that. But if you're new to the Corvette Dan channel, I'd take this. High wing spoiler. Please smash that thumbs up. I do appreciate it. That's how this channel will get better. Blue Z6 Stingray. Black and gold. Are you a fan of the Pittsburgh Steelers? You might like that color combination. Speaking of, yellow and black. We have a beautiful Z. Correction, we have a beautiful C8. Don't beat me up too hard, folks. Grand Sport. Color similar to that of the 96 Grand Sport. Remember those cars? Here we have a C8 convertible, torch red. Another C8, torch red. Love the blue, love the blue. Those rims, folks, are carbon fiber. This is a Z6. Z6 Accelerate Yellow, I believe this color is called. Now, truthfully, folks, if you had $85,000, you're gonna buy a Suburban, you're gonna buy a Corvette. Guess what? I'm buying the Corvette. That sounds wicked, folks. I like that. There we go. 5th generation Z. Argent gray rims. Torch red. Here's another Z6. Chrome rims. We know there's some aftermarket goodies underneath the hood of that car.
Quite a few, yes.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
I'll be dropping this on the Corvette Dan YouTube channel.
Corvette Dan. Perfect.
Yep. Or CorvetteDan.com.
Look it up right now.
Please do. If I run into you later, maybe we'll do a feature on that.
If you'd like.
Yeah, I would.
Time slips and everything up on there.
Oh, I would. I'll find you.
Okay.
Either that or look for me. I have a 14 Lime Rock Green. I think it's the only one here.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Corvette Dan. I'm Joe.
Joe, nice to meet you. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, buddy.
It's a nice man. We'll get a feature of that car. It's got time slips. Anytime I see that, I know somebody's serious about racing and likes to show it, and I have nothing against that. Back to the cars, another Z. I like that orange. What do you think? What do you think? Wow, I had to get a close-up of this for you folks. Whew, look at that. That's something else. Moving on. That's like a magnetic red. I'm sure that's not the name of it. I'm referencing a 5th gen color name. Look at this. You know what this is? This is E-Ray. Electric motor in front, 495 horse in the back. This thing's a monster. I like it. I don't know if I could drop $110,000 plus on it. Maybe someday I'll have the money. There we go. More in my price range. Are you going to be in the National Corvette Caravan? Check it out. I believe it's coming up next year. I think Corvette Dan's going to have to join that. And there's a C7 with the rare rims. I forget what they're called. If you know, please let me know. Drop a comment. C8 with red interior. There's a C6 Grand Sport. I'm going to take a guess at 2012 C6. C5 in yellow. I don't know the name of that yellow. These are one of my favorite rims on the C8, folks. And we have torch red. That's an interesting color. I think that's hypersonic gray? I don't know, folks. Drop me a comment if you know. And there's my favorite spoiler on the C8. I think they call that the high wing. And I love the interior color combination. What do you think? Yep, that's the spoiler, folks. That's the one I would want. There you have another Z. Z06, Z06, or as most Americans like to refer to it as Z06. I did meet a gentleman that works for General Motors Chevrolet, and he did confirm that O that you like to call Z06 is actually a number, like I've known. So please don't beat up Corvette Dan when he says Z6. Because when a zero precedes a whole number, it shall remain silent. Sorry, I'm on my soapbox. That's okay. Oh, look at this color. That is a beautiful color, folks. Do you know the name of this color? Again, drop a comment if you know. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that wing too. C8 with the high wing and a painted high wing to match the car. I've never seen that before, at least I don't think I have. That's interesting. There's that orange again. I don't know why. It doesn't really do as same for me as the other one did. I do not know why. I'll have to reference this video again and try to find out. Now here you go. If Batman was a real person and drove a car, you're darn sure he'd be driving a Corvette. What generation? Well, that's up to you. I can see Batman in this car for sure. And for you golf fans, a Corvette golf cart. And a little C4 action for you C4 fans. I like them. Let's head over here.